This is how to fix Forza Horizon 5 stuck on loading screen. So for the first method, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. You should find the NVIDIA app displaying. If not, you should go to their official website and set it up from there, or open the AMD application alternatively. Next, go to the drivers in the left menu and make sure to set up and install the latest driver to prevent any issue. After that, go to settings and switch off the NVIDIA overlay if you have it already turned on. The next method, go to the search and type in device manager. Make sure to open this application. Once this pop up, you need to search for display adapters element. Click on this side arrow. After that, select your graphics card. Right click and select update driver. Select the first option. After that, click on close. Now all you have to do is to go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select task manager. From here, you need to keep the CPU and memory below 100%. So to do that, you have to scroll through all these processes. If you do find any suspicious or useless application that you don't want it to use your resources, just terminate it by selecting end task. Now after that, go to the search and type in Steam. If you do find it running again, right click and select end task. For the next step, go to open the launcher. After that, go to library and select collections. You need to search for Forza Horizon 5. It must be installed. After that, select manage option right here and click on properties. From here, you need to select installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. It is important to wait for the process to finish till the end and not interrupt it in the middle to safely recover any missing files. After that, you can close this. Now all you have to do is to go to the Windows icon, search for settings. Now from here, go to Windows Update, bottom left corner, and make sure to install the latest available Windows updates you will find to prevent again any issue that may cause the problem that you're facing. If you do have stuck updates, go to update history, deselect the first two options. You can try by uninstalling updates or select recovery. After that, you can try the first option to troubleshoot or select reinstall now as your last option. And that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.